Hello viewers and welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to just show you some few updates on the hatching rate at the farm. Here you can see the pure Kienyeji chicken that are already free ranging around here, though it's an enclosed free ranging area. So you can see them going around. So let's move to the other side and see exactly how the chicken fared when it comes to hatching. Here you can see the mother with 17 newly hatched chicks that are healthy and running. So these are now 2 days old. It's a feeding area. That's exactly where they spend their time with their mother roaming. So up here we also have newly hatched ones, the same old as the one that we've just seen. So you can see the mother here with 10 newly hatched chicks. Here they are, you can see them. This is also their feeding area, but their mom cannot be able to reach inside there easily. So the chicks have room to feed on themselves without disturbance of the mom. So this is exactly how I've been able to build most of my chicken rooms. So they have a hidden room there. You can see the mother entering there. That's exactly where they usually sleep at night. It's warm. You can see them entering there. And here is the feeding area. So most of my chicken cubes have been able to build them that way. So let's now move to another section. Here he says another section. You can see the mother there with her chicks, the same style. Let's move now to another section. You can see these ones here, they want to come out, but they're not supposed to come out. These ones I separated them from their mother, who is already now in the breeding section. Yeah, here is their mother. You can see it's now separated 1 week from her chicks. It's now on the breeding area with a beautiful strong male cock that is black and white in color. So we hope to get healthy and good quality chicks. And see, this is also another breeding section. We have 3 hens, the big cock. So let's see if there's any sign of eggs inside here. Oh, there you can see some eggs. So it means that the hens are doing well together with the cock in this section. So let's now move to another section. Let's see them. In this section here, you can see last time we recorded some eggs in that area. Now you can see the hen brooding on the eggs there. Now you can see the big cock there. And also down there you can see another hen that is brooding down there. So you can see these sections are doing quite well. There's the hen that I told is brooding. So this section here holds quite a number of chicken, and the whole of this area we have chicken, some brooding, some are rearing their chicken, others you can see them here, like this ones here are brooding, the two, and also beside them you can see some eggs. There is a hen that is laying some eggs down there, so in a few days they'll start hatching. Here still have more laying nest, and here you can already see there is a hen there that's either laying, maybe it has already laid some eggs, so let me not disturb it. And so down here we still have more laying nests. You can see some eggs down there. So we have laying nests all over, and up here you can see we have still another hen that is brooding. And up here last time I showed you there was a hen that was brooding up here, but today you can see the hen has already hatched, and already there is a hen that has already started laying. And down here we have two hens that are brooding together in the same room. You can see them, they're brooding together inside there, so I don't have to disturb them. Two hens brooding. So the sections are quite interesting. You can see how the room has been designed. So let's now guys move to another section. It's a section, another section. Let's see if there is any hen brooding. Here you can see another hen brooding inside there. You can see it. So I usually put some stones around to make sure that the eggs don't spread, especially when it's going out of the nest. This is another section. You can see the cock. Maybe there is some eggs. Let's check. I see the cock over there with one hen. Oh, let's see if there is some eggs here. Of course, there is. I see two eggs there. They are another cock, another section, breeding section. So I'm sure soon they'll start laying. Now you can see the room is empty. The hen that was brooding here have already hatched. So now this remains an empty room for some hens to start laying. On the other side you can see another hen that is brooding. Maybe by the end of next week going to hatch some new chicks. We've planted vegetables all over, so here nothing goes to waste. Sometimes you get some vegetables from this section, and then we give them to our chicken. Let's now move to another section. When the chicken have eaten and they are satisfied, so at least you see them happy and now relaxing. Here we have another chicken that is brooding in a strange area. You can see her. She decided to lay her eggs there and start brooding. Now you can see her brooding. Today it's second day. A strange place, of course. Can't imagine a hen laying eggs and also brooding in a very hidden place like this one. Just see where it is. She decided to lay her eggs up here and now she's brooding. You can hear some mom with her chicks. Let me open and see what you can see inside here. Now here we have some chicks. They're here together with their mom. They're healthy and enjoying their time. This room is quite warm. Let's move now to the next room and see what we're going to see inside there. Now we also have another section. You can see the tough mama hen with her chicks. It's quite a strange feeding place. You can see I usually put food inside there. Then the chicks get a chance to feed easily. So this is quite interesting, yeah. So we still have more hen brooding. Down here we have another one. You can see where it's hidden. It's also brooding there. And a few days to come, it's going to hatch. Let's now move to another section. Here is where I usually prepare protein for my chicken. So you can see the worms, they're moving inside here. This I make it easily by just using remains from our chicken. I put them inside this tank and ensure that they are damp a little bit, but not too much water. Then I take and give them to my chicken. Let me just show you how I do it. They love it so much. All these hens that you can see here, they're all laying, and I'm sure soon they'll start brooding. Quite a number of them are brooding, others laying, while some are now taking care of their chicks. Let's now move to another section. Inside here you can see some pigeons that are up here. See them feeding. Some are up there in their nest. So let's now move to another area. Just have some rabbits, you can see them there. In this section we also have some chicken together with some pigeons. Let me check if maybe like they've laid some eggs. So I hope guys you've enjoyed watching the video. So please remember to comment and remember to share the video with your friends, other people, and also remember to subscribe for more updates. But if you're a new person to this channel, please remember to click the notification button so that you can always be updated and be able to view new videos whenever we upload. So I hope you've enjoyed. Till next time, bye bye.